Want to cancel NFL Plus on Roku? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is check whether subscription is being billed and managed through Roku. Now to do that, you want to head over to myroku.com/subscriptions. It will be listed here. You can also check your billing statement. Subscriptions billed by Roku will show up as charged from Roku, Roku 4 or the Roku channel. Now, in the subscriptions tab, you will find active subscriptions. Select the subscription you want to cancel. These are only subscriptions through Roku. Select manage subscription, then select turn off auto renew. Turning off auto renew means you have cancelled your subscription and you will not be billed for it in the future. After cancelling your subscription, you will continue to have access to it until the end of your current billing cycle. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.